our cars clean can be a challenge. I mean, because we live in our cars, right? And we have 2 kids, we have dogs, and we have a family that's always on the go. So I wanted to come share some of our tips for keeping our cars clean, just like we keep our house clean. So you guys loved my previous video where I told you guys how we don't use a maid in our house. So I want to come share with you guys some tips about the car and how we're able to keep our cars clean. We have 2 trucks and we do not use car cleaners. We don't take them anywhere. We do our own cleaning and we've been able to maintain them. And both our trucks are a little over 4 years old and they still look new. So before we start, I'm going to open up my doors and show you our vehicles. As of right now, we have not washed them, but I'm just going to literally do a realistic walkthrough to show you how they look. And this is literally how they look anytime we're out and about. So let's get started with these tips and hopefully you find these helpful. First up, let's start with the biggest problem child, okay? That is trash. We all deal with it. We all have it. And one thing that we do is maintain the trash. And we do that by keeping trash cans in our trucks. Now, everybody can figure this out for themselves, but honestly, of all our cars and years, this has been the biggest game changer, is making sure we have a place for trash in our trucks. And I've used a number of car trash cans over the years, and I pop one up. One of my favorite is the 2 or 3 gallon trash can. Recently, maybe last year, switched to a slimmer one in this truck so that we have more space to get through and go back to our 3rd row seats. And I'll pop that up on screen too. I love these because they have zippers, so it keeps the odors in, keeps the clutter down, and all you got to do is change the bags out whenever needed. I keep extra bags in the sides. Those have worked amazing. They've lasted me for years, y'all, years. And again, having a place for trash for every day, for road trips, just everything makes a difference. A couple more options I'll offer you guys too, especially if you want your truck or car like looking good when you open the door and people see your car too. I always keep a bigger one like up front, kind of where the people in this vicinity can reach. Now, if you have 3rd row seats, another option, or like a van or something, another option are these like little cup holder trash cans. I use those like in the very back so that if kids are eating candy or they got wrappers, whatever, they can toss them in there. That keeps the entire truck clean. Now, my husband's trucks, for instance, he don't have as much spacing as I do in this truck. So one trash can we like to use in that truck are like disposable, like stick-on trash bags. And they work great. You get a bulk of those and you can take them down whenever you need to. You can empty them out. You can replace them. Those have worked great too. Really like those if you have tight spacing. And at the end of the day, if you don't want to spend any money, you can just use a little garbage bag, whatever you have, right? But the main tip is to keep your trash contained. All right, the next tip is vacuums. Vacuums. We have vacuums in both of our trucks. I have a pet vacuum in this truck and we have another hand vacuum in his truck, and I'll pop them up on screen, the ones that we currently have, although I have used different ones throughout the years, but these are our current ones and really like those and do recommend them. Having a vacuum though in your vehicles is so important for keeping it clean, y'all. And I say this because again, we have a busy household with kids and dogs and we have spills, right? If you see something, and even if you're just waiting in line, the best thing you can do, car pickups, waiting in line at restaurants, if you spill something, if you're on road trips, if you just go ahead and tackle the spill, then instead of waiting, that's how your car get dirty on top of dirty on top of dirty, right? And it piles up. If you keep it clean, and that doesn't mean you got to vacuum your car every day. Absolutely not. We do not, y'all. Now, if we see something's out of hand or we're getting ready to go somewhere and we're like, oh, look at the rug there. Let's grab the vacuum, get it, and it's done. We don't have to take an hour to clean our trucks, you know, unless it's that carved out time for car cleaning, right? But I'm just saying, like, on the go every day. This is something to keep your cars maintained. If you just keep a vacuum, I can't tell y'all how many times we've been on a road trip and we just grab the vacuum really quickly to get up a spill or dog hair or whatever we saw. We just get it. You can do this at any time when you have any free time while you're sitting there waiting in car line. If you see your carpets are dirty, grab the car vacuum and just vacuum the spots that you need to. Car seats as well. It's very handy having a vacuum in your car because you can grab that vacuum whenever you need to clean out your baby's car seats. So again, don't let it pile up. Don't let it pile up. Okay. It's just like with our house. If you go ahead and just tackle things and have systems in places, you don't have to worry about that build up, you know, where it's like overwhelming and you feel like you always have to hire somebody to tackle the problems for you. Really, you get systems, the systems help. That was the tip for quick cleans. Now, I will always recommend a deep cleaner for your cars. This is the one I'm showing you on screen is what we use for doing a heavy duty vacuuming. Like we might do it once every 2 months or something. Again, we keep our car maintained, but when we do need to do a deep clean, we pull out the big boy and we clean it. Again, we don't really go to places to have them do it. You can definitely feel free to, and they're like, I think vacuum free, which we used to use. Okay, we definitely used to go to those, but it's just easier with kids. I bought this vacuum maybe 4 or 5 years ago, and it still works great. And we don't use it all the time. It vacuums liquids as well. We have used it to pull out liquids and water if you spill stuff. So it's a wet dry. So you can use it for liquids. You can use it for dog hair. It's amazing. It's a deep cleaner. It's powerful. So it is a little bit more pricey than the little portable ones, but it's well worth it. And it's lasted us a long time. And we don't have to waste gas going somewhere. We can just do it at the house and have it when we're doing our, deep cleaning of our trucks. So that's another way to deep clean your carpets and your seats. Now, let's move on to interior cleaning, okay? And how we keep our interior looking new and good. One, I will tell you one of our favorite brands, and we have used a lot of brands over the years. Let me tell you, I first started cleaning my very first car at the age of 16, and I actually love cleaning my cars. And so it just became something. So when I tell you between the two of us, we have years of washing cars and using all kind of products. We come back to our favorite one, and that's the Chemical Guys. They have just worked extremely well, y'all, from my experience. One thing I will say with the Chemical Guys, they have a lot of things, and different products are used for different problem areas and different parts of your car. So I think it's called the interior clean. I'll show the bottle on screen. That thing can clean practically almost anything in your car, from screens to your driving wheel to your consoles, your doors. Always tackle your most touched items in places like your doors, because our doors will get damaged quicker than a lot of places because the oil's from our hands and touching it all the time. So always keep that interior cleaning. That's one. If I had to recommend the number one to get that for interior, because it can clean literally practically everything in your car. And we have used that for a long time and it works really well. Now, they have another one called the Invisible Cleaner. Now, that Invisible Cleaner, that thing is powerful. So the Invisible Cleaner is really good for marks on your doors and your carpets. It's just a really powerful cleaner. So if you have something you're really trying to get out, go for that Invisible Cleaner. Brushes are amazing, especially for making something look brand new, like your parts that's at the bottom down there where you step down and your shoes touch all the time. The brushes and the interior cleaner is a perfect combination for making that look brand spanking new. And then another little hack you can do is make sure to keep you something like a microfiber cloth in your car. So whenever you do need to do a quick clean, like if you're sitting in a restaurant, drive through, or if you're in school pickups, you can wipe your cars down, your trucks down, your screens down. And if you want to keep a little spray bottle, you can do that as well. I used to, so I just can't find it right now. But anyway, those are some tips for interior. Now let's talk about leather in particular. If you do have leather, a leather cleaner is a must. Think of leather like our hair. You need oils and conditioners to keep it looking new, okay? The Chemical Guys have some that we've used. I'll show them on screen. The leather conditioner and the serum is a sweet combination for keeping our leather looking brand new. And also what really helps is the little sponge. I didn't think it made a difference, but once I started using it, it makes a huge difference applying it with that. You don't waste so much product. I do recommend for leather that we use. Let me put out my biggest tip, and y'all know me, I love to organize. Keep your vehicles organized, especially your trunk. Okay, I know that can be a tough pill to swallow. This is coming from someone who didn't used to keep her trunk organized, and it was a disaster, y'all. I've been there, I've done it. Let me tell you, I've lived a long life, and we went through a lot of stuff in life. But what I found to be the biggest difference is keeping your cars and trucks organized. I have every compartment organized. I've shared a lot of videos. Instead of me repeat myself and making this video extremely long, I will pop those videos up, y'all. I've shared how I've organized my trunk and also my console, my glove compartment. And, I may come back and do a video of as a mom and dog mom, the necessities that are lifesavers that I always keep in my vehicles. If y'all want to see that, let me know, because I don't want to waste my time if y'all don't want to see that. But I can always share my must-haves, if y'all want to know. But keeping it organized, you can find trunk organizers. I have some in my store I've used, over years. And again, I've went through several cars, several trucks. I will leave those linked. And the ones I use back here, as of now, I have those linked too. But keeping your spaces organized is a must for keeping your cars clean, because you have a place to put stuff back. And that way it does not get all over your cars. Let's move on to exterior cleaning, okay? So again, with keeping our cars clean, the first thing people see is your exterior. And we again do our own washing. And what I'll do is I share some of our cleaners we like to use for washing our cars. And also the brush, one brush that I got from Amazon years ago, we still use it. It has washable brush heads. You can use this by itself, or you can use it with the pole to get like the tops that are so high that sometimes you may not be able to reach it or tall enough to reach it. That stick helps to get all of that top part, windows and things like that. And it's been very handy. It's lasted us a long time, and it works, still works great. So I have not had to buy a new one. It still works great. And also I'll show you guys some of the products we've used for like keeping our tires clean too, because you do want your tires to look good. That just literally makes your car look new. And also some wax as well. You know, we don't do the wax all the time, but occasionally whenever needed, right? But yeah, I'll share all those products on screen if you guys want to shop those. But that's the way we keep our exteriors clean and looking new. Hopefully you guys found this video helpful. Those are all my tips to how we keep a clean vehicle, which again, we do our own cleaning. So definitely feel free to drop me a comment. I love you guys and I appreciate y'all for watching. And let me know what you want to see next. And I'll see you in my next video.